Joy Amwakabazabaya and also Donko Kasaboj Majudo or Costa TV. Where you know, where on the middle of OMAR bin ABDULLAH, you shall summary ability with the brow. Policy or your pain or down, which I see I do, or your mammy, or your ray donko, etmache semi there, Conibarabono, Moframa, was someone uncle, or your abotara, I bring what to Mizino, or what to me from Marquana. I'm all 24 hours. There, I have champion unto me provide them from a work of shower or some to see. The Miss Amquia, never papa Bacassa, don't your pa, there, the master to see. Costa TV community connection, young Queen Gate, good eye to me, in Sebaka show, or your some nephew in your cocoon. The mouse sooner, or your Yanama, or your bono, but pretty Sabaka him, Bill, they want to come or your end the breakers. But in my listen about the Ebanum Babenia, between our chassis.
Mido, you're not Biana. I'm for you to be so every time I just say, baby, shit. Mangashi.
Junior! I'm saying so enough for maybe the no.
Sister Cospa, it's a winning gas.
I'm using the why. My wife.
Down Yankanawa.
Sister Cos. Use gas. Gas ye fast, ye easy, ye convenient. And wow.
LPG, let me see your hand. Ooh, I got yeah.
We sell gift shop, a place you can rely on. You call on us and we will deliver. Thank you.
Right, as I'm a baby, I'm going to be your mom in ABDULLAH. Some of us are quite a chance to or off a bit to go in. I just so far or a shame, materials in the high school. Other than person to share, the more than to share, the person out to more cancer. Because I sport or more than if you to me. The demo sporty, fit a bra, one Kuma, do school bars, or so to Musi, or your school, then I could go good to the Major Medina. So we now off a bit to go to Musi and obey sport maybe a bit a tumina, Abro, Yanko. You can go the Automosi, where you say drew a bra and your name be Utumusha or Yanko or a yow.
You are the victim. What exactly caused this, first of all?
The tears thrown at me when I was looking for a place to sit, so that I'll use the medicine on my eye. That's what happened.
So you were basically just looking for a place to sit?
Yes, it happened unexpectedly.
Okay. So, but tell us, you're saying you didn't do anything to provoke?
No, I didn't do anything. I was just standing there. And they started throwing the stone.
What happened when they started throwing the stones?
I wasn't looking. When I turned, I saw my colleagues running, but I didn't know what was happening. So by the time I realized, the son came to hit me.
So you're saying you didn't do anything to these particular students?
No, I didn't do anything to them.
What would you want to be done in this particular situation?
I want them to be arrested and anything that the government wants to do to them.
What's your full name?
My name is Akwaka Kovi Fiajigbe.
I'm to Winneba, and I was submitting my thesis to one of my supervisors at Suedru. So Suedru coming to Bojuase, and then I had a call that my boy got hurt. So he's at the Suedru government hospital. So I rushed and when I went, the teeth and the teeth got broken, and then he was hurt severely.
The Ministry of Education has
Dame sami nyara na mpanyefo etumi na oda atugwa na so asem na ayeye papa size etumi kese madam no mo na 24 hours nti yeye ne tede mo from ebinim wono se etumi na aka wono se aka oye nia Joseph Amoa wey 20 years the man so wono se aka oye Benedict appear 18 years wono se aka oye Billy Mahmood no so we oye 18 years ama police for information to watch some there. But the one when J. the main seminar autumn no scene into good out to you should after the man semi home. No, to today, or we are more imagine if you to wash and win. Yaku is a kitchen or ya community connector, Costa TV of great to be to make the Babazi, Mrs. Sarah on Cherubia, the penny of name Fida is here sibling Yakokisi while I come for. Now, young call the next the last but 12 to me. Honorable Assembly member were time tray ayiko electoral church same on the power but to offer them put juma etumina area paye na penya kakawo yenko honorable member na semato de tuga ya ko ya bo is am oye etefo dama sam kriyara na birim so etumi acha hona adwe na yehwe pempe so yetumi yekoya na chebe oye zebra crossing bia maframa wotum na woro twemu ze oye atentwi ohia papa de kroto biara bia school wotum wono no ama maframa wotum ehunda woro ko hona nyim no na chekar ontum na oye esu akwan mahun yenkwa kwhwe dama sam so awoso wotum tuga ya ko here za na no ya ko kijina wo ya and the mantle mechira western region ahono yetumi na ya ko kijina pay for we am se bo for wotum no hwon etu na mara wodi oya 6 classroom block wotum no dama oya school sa ho ama of great we wotum no akọ chense na oya 2-story building oya dormitory o mo mazina fi wotum na we si with am oya additional for over the school no mechira oya senior high school Methodist senior high school the man so we see oya teachers quarters wotum na boa ma cheche fa oya school hono so wotum na wa tene from na wotum na wa chama from aze honorable grace ayi so dankwa oya mesebe goye the man sani so to tiado abro ayi sometime we jonkomo
in the technical schools. We also went to a Sipin Technical, giving them a 2-story girls' dormitory, also with a separate restrooms for the girls, and also with the teachers' quarters, a 2-bedroom apartment for the house mistress. We went to Methodist Secondary School, Mesek in Kansarodo. We are also doing the same thing for them. So today is one of the days that has never happened in the history of Iskaduketan, from when we were part of Sekendi and then when we actually became on our own the last 28 years. So for me, I'm very excited. I'm happy. I'm so excited about this project. We will be done in less than 12 months. The students will move in, will come back and do commissioning at that time, and then we will move on to the rest of the schools. I still have 2 secondary schools, Ahantaman and Bishop Portes. I think Bishop Portes of all my schools has the most, let's say, infrastructure. So we start from the least and we go up to the one that has the most. And so slowly, in the next 4 years, we'll develop our educational infrastructure. After
Abra ochechwe emsra abra mbese begoyi oyine samedo kwa wiye naro na oya Madam Grace Eshem oye chechire pen da motor senior high school cancer rodo no so oda oya mbese begoyi asbeba pada orbo medem puntujume etumina abekrom ho.
Help the future of the children in the community and reduce the financial constraints on our parents. We assure you that when the burden is brought, you form committees to maintain it and expand. Help the future of the children in the community and reduce the financial constraints on our parents. We assure you that when the burden is brought, you form committees to maintain it and expand the lifespan of the structure. Thank you very much for your
Yabada oya ocheche penasi when some autumn no audio to gwa ankesa ye ansa na ebotumi ya chance ye na yo sama babe iba nke wa kan so betumi that yodo
Mido, you are not Biana. What if I give you a baby? Every time I just say, baby, shit. Mangashi.
Junior!
I'm saying so now for maybe the no.
Sister Cospa, ain't you winning gas?
I'm using the why. Why?
Down Yankana wa.
Ah, Sister Cos. Use gas. Gas ye fast, ye easy, ye convenient. And wow.
LPG, let me see your hand. Ooh, I got yeah.
We sell gift shop, a place you can rely on. You call on us and we'll deliver. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. Yakwe is na no yakwa akoshe wo oye antem Mr. Tantre ayiko electoral area. Honorable Assembly member community connect no Adremi SMP tumi to gba de krono ye ayempuntu djuma papa wo yisum de aban na ye anamsi ya ohwe oye gome so bobo ampuntu djuma etumi akodo. Ekite honorable big man nese wato to gba.
Oze kanu ye betia yen ahwafo. Na ya fa kwanjedu na ya da Costa TV aside Walton young community was on my word ya da wana see me share one road nzi obi aya baye on ya menepia ontuma afin ko na wie na ye road order don kodo zisan Savoy oka 10 km road Cape Coast South was a band mo color be there one by one for man into I am many from don't go to junction as a Savoy you will try to auto ABN F Mensa Sabo school now no sir kwanda ma the PWD but issue kakra ba issue in there ya buy demolition kakra ano no komozi na yenzi wie ya me ya do yezi bia no so da ma ekon no afia ye wotwa na ye zatum anu senti kwa ya da ma zin there ehwe say ye is afasha traffic obakrom ha embra so da ye gbegbegbe yan some of the roads inner roads ama say ye is afasha dam na ndom ba shekroma ye easy access of vehicle na ye tu edua efe wa ha etina ye da ma dwumazin on ya menpia ontuma afin ko na wie izina yaziansa akadwuma ma yare amazima kada my privilege pa ana menya opportunity the mempem for wo ayiko wapemasam na abrofo si respect reciprocal say afra ba na wo motum na sasabe embwaza empemfu so wan nanto by some painful was one to was kita now there sabin painful na was down to me was a kita nti easy bia na bubia la safata ezba mo na wo so wo kwa na obokwa odo toti nti amen painful ze medaw na ase anytime bia mo bo na abu ma apia wo boem who am I because of me kita uzime won nti medaw na ase bebre my brother ya and pe obobo en mo me light wa here and I'm youth president.
Oh, I see.
Aya.
Okay.
Normally, me anything kita hu bebre. Na youth nso sabi anya da momo nska na bibi. Se beta fa che se wala umosa ebanantwa na ebi ala so anya wa nantu ye. Nti youth nzi medaw na ase. And now mo ka sam ko ma mo fansham youth no nkran. There fita ikwa ikobobazi. Yes, young papa no one abroad in the you but yeah, and abroad, Musham youth now. The kind of our kaka and now Jenna Yanso won't see me now. Mumu bida. Because about 80% of them were SS, but still was one she was here, Juma, even ye fitting, even ye carpentry, even ye mason as international or a breakthrough the future of the community are very, very bright. About community artisan biala in why this community enya from burden to whatever about this community a baby professionals so when you do my papa into muka musician nkran there don't say na is in past is ala the new generation ya will jism of community but they be am kada yeyem bebu ni easy ot sebe youth free as brand no bakakra so ya na yen apota kakra and then I'm proud of them. I'm very proud of them. I really proud of them because no. That's my youth there. I compare it with my life squad. They really respect themselves and they respect the authority, they respect the community leaders. So we come about the power. Someone come on phone to me. Dama zaman zi ibi shada nya se hu de bi abaye bibi o chada ipoku no ofi baby na wa ba se yanso musana yan fancha to be honest with you anazi yan fancha but this community because I and was I boys were bad boys I bet differ this current I boys one I tell you everybody is serious they will make life better in the near future. Say barrier BB. It's a mobile easy. I can bet on my life on there. When you're bad boys, every day be a BB. Waba a beefy baby no waba fear also. Mobile is the one to them. My brothers, I'm come west. They are my senior brothers. As ever, yeah, security my own young. Yeah, security my own young. But actually, so want to not deter criminals. No, a lighting system. So actually, community, yeah. Them Kano says the camera around 11 to 12 in the midnight. Now the camera as it from community ma Samaya best for Cape Coast, my second. As for my street lighting, and then so on yes kakakaba, no. As I'm speaking to you now, Ndompode Yabe maintenance kakra, close to 1,000 cities oboko for street light maintenance. And see your lighting systems, I do my best with my own resource in the museum. Mamba kachama monfin there. So far the yet some dream. Abaha Muslims and Christians in a Nazibum. Just say the waka lawa kubana the inumura kaya son in Mutsana. 1 man fund the Mayan phone call. Naya in a batam kuni yemba in Chichimbiala you are mototasre. More man abroad. One kada equal an etantra quite lettera, but sabase base. Mototasre. Them a house on Jim, young fast on Jensen at the mamma, former no waiting, so once one bushia, no one found to be able to be ala, na man no more J for some Macadama, Medo Bibiasi, and the coast. I very well, I've been or doors.
Or doors, tobacco, Boko, one. You be in the city, school for Monfraba. What have cross? Open schools people and see opuna mo from oya or cross and oya amasuka kra and see a pedantry obi yanche oya hen rounds why quite because him burn and hen and no or cross benefit amount for beef jj no tantry hyena for work school and so opuna most cars walk speed or no you number for was abia hemrance ya baby be what no original cross from cross and see into obey and chabanum was now on your ramswa because speed that and call for drivers were you and the mother she answers papa
me as papa mo to MC na nyim no yen there ya mo from walk school wo ye Mr. Saba Baptist no ya Winston na azaze me say ne there so ba ya odu anapa nkwama ya city guards wanyu sum na wona adwuma ko senyin o ma city guards wontum na won bagina ade from oya anapa be 7 out to be wabo be 8:30 to 9 no make sure that oya mboframa a wo botwa ekwan mu we so wonsem na wetum na onyu na etwa ekwan mu na ma oba ya ye nkati asembo ne biara wo oya tantry aiko electoral no mu
oya very good there oba zebra crossing and the speed ramps because cars the way you watch them wahan or very very bad, especially Prague. I am Prague. Watch them on yet now have some farmer wa hapa. Open school like one day. Be no open school. Be watch them wa kofi. Be on yan mami no baba fan. Be ananka sa no boko. Inti woman zebra cross wa and the speed ramps na ono obama cars and why slow kakra ma. Yamba from way to way to more very, 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 very good.
The man saying, no, time try you paying for to the Tuga. The way you soon there, abandon paying for and I'm safe way to know it. Yak way the kitchen wire and Canfra, you should go Mr. in the whole metro. Baby for quitting a YouTube rogo. Now, so about kind of between for the YouTube so. Yak way a hot Miss Automati. Now, za worker or then pay for to Mutanamo. Constantly Community Connect in the pen, therefore, working in Yemen. A Baba Cancer wire and come for community. Now, the whole Cape Coast Metro, be a YouTube Urugu, or rubbish dump on income for Kruma. I shall make sure you wura Casapano tomorrow. Now, sir, actually, we don't go tomorrow, a soda. You are rubber to her, you want crack as well. Nina, yaha. Now, be a you to me today, you are horse from autumn north. I said, I am in charge of the to be about Mother and Ceci, so autumn you pay. And in Sina Yusha, I Caterpillar hole a bien no to Moswo. So you do no or train a yemen. I'm off to be so you run in a bar or ye fear, while my mother if you were to now with Piamo or to now quitting. Into Buddha, woman says to Mokoro, na Sabi, what's you made to be around? Sigapum, Anity, whom there. You were a in Cartia watcher, you are rubber so to watcher, lean out to more. A bit of motor to Motasi, if you be out so to Mobocon. Then my Ghana was a year recycle. jizide za wotum ye resakra won so tum boko na wakwa akoten na za me bi san yan hemu de aban pempem so de me bie ye do whole Cape Coast Metro yetum yitu wuragu oye south and north aban de eyin ye ha hefre botu hin wuragu ana de finfirman to minitri ogwa yi won hihye bi ho abotu aban de se iwure ibutum yare sakran na efi etuma aban pempem so ye ba enfu won hu particles wo ye aban na aban no o se ekwan mpo ayi name yetum eziba ha sa yehwe kwan no mi se otum ota no chere se nsuta ne ba bayetin ankasa but da yetum ebi san de community dia ye wo assembly member wom the man so ne gwemi nsima omampanyina na misi wo ha aye honorable George Justice Ata wo ha ogudo aye na afamedi the man so na aye metropolitan aye mpanyinfo wo offices ahun ya ogudo wo afamedi the man za yetum ebi san de ana kwanin ya ye fodo tumbutu wuregun wo sisi obeyi anado ne yi anada kwana ye fodo yetum tu wuregun sabi oju baby na inyaraba ahoro nketenkete ayam tu yaraba ayakwarala so aba da oluta tisa ana ya krado da butum ye sisi yo sende ye hwo oya ankanfo community adan akasepi nazema pi nya no wotum na wotumoto ye nkeza akohwa doma wo hwo yankanfo boboro oya 12,000 plus na so ye hwe bia wotumoto regu na oya air pollution no so tumro ho nazema pa sene mframa zo obafufa bia asaneti azokwa community no ba se na yitumi yeriye na yitumi za aboma air pollution no onto mfa how onto mfa mbra nti za yitumi kan de constructive community connect no ye bone de wo za mampan fu be wudi safeta dem pampan so bebe yitu wuregu no ana nhye bi wo ho a ebutum na ya akohine yem senedam ana dama na obutum obeti nti ya bai oyankan fo iguda yitu na mo bia nzama obiara obutum oboboa me bia etum na ye etum na ye na mo nche pe de yimpan fo wo how to atwonkomo na so wesi bebe nti wona ka se sisi abayese na so so wona ka se abayese za yezi yin obu hu za yezi ha so abati komo yin agbo neze za wotum o cheman de wosi oraba sura na wodi keteplan de pia etum na akweti Dami sami na yeko oyan kanfo ayeko kutwen oyan fanyini nkanfo komo na yetum yegina Pragia drivers awon so tumo kira ho na adwen fa oyan kanfo akwana helka na ye Pragia wotumo fodo wotumo yedwuma na anamura woro wotumo tu na mpefiri sia wotumo ye yekete awon so za wotumo tuga yo da mezi kai bone tira so kura no nzame ba asa na yitumi wo ha yiwo oya taxi drivers wo ha yiwo trotro drivers wo ha da ma so yiwo oya Pragia drivers wo ha nti da man kofu ekue ba asen na wotumo jujuma nya wo kira za wotumo ho an de trotro wo jawa 33 da ma so no oya Pragia wotum no oja 33 na ni na no abakare entamepe na ni na wotumo ye juma nti maami good evening ahwe nchempa ma ebudu ha nti abedinta abatena Pragia mo ahoma ma kan hodam ntayen kasa but of fun Mariam abante taxi on trotro so akwana ufamba fa ko community abatini metafo kachen metafo ojai kacha 3 cities kachen yamin so das brother what's up yaji na yin so bobon ko magaga for example me moyo yesha oya yellow Pragia you me afu I pentama I hear quantum so I taxi I mean to be honest I'm no musuru how I na three no that musuru da me option and right today ya adini hinanu anono kwa no wotumu akan also no suro ba sisi ade won ya akuduro also there's no option tisa odo otum no ofwara na fe otum no okwereyim nti yeba oyan kanfo ha damna asamnati osende obia pentam wotum na wa akoya baby na so yehwe oya the age limit wotum na woda kan oya Pragia ibu ho oya mpefum the man so ibu ho oya mfom so oya fro oya pay brother but you want to come kakra ai na fe yentum yenkwereyim nti ayefu bia ayefu Pragia.
I don't want for a taxi.
Taxi. Zaga Praga from who would measure with the
I fine, what drive fine. What I find, mostly my family do a man away off. Paying for that, and someone I'm why stay.
It is a KBO and kid about foot and tell them on that. You check our age limit and send it to me.
My family do a man which again go with you, or paying for answer, wash when one cassa. Was it one body to see the passengers and walk for? I don't know how I would want passengers and cassa. Do all. Because we have been man catch a passengers. Oh, about the man things in the station. I don't want my so bad. They be a Praga for walk one day. We my family should not campaign for no. Because my family they be out with the confusion with the best station. I did. About the man now. I don't know what say chronism.
Until we are a private drivers now, it's being association with him. It's a yes, I was a main road memory for, but you to me, or fact, much damage.
Main road in Martin there, and one for mostly been more out what the Pagani is more town. So down a Padamana or cross walk what you do as I saw about. By Praga, one can find it now, 1 year and can find it and wait. We load what we do. Tree City. Near towns at Tree City. Towns at Tree City. I would two more for 2 waffle, what do call about where in Kaka Crass or the bar.
Oniano says out to more church. I mean, name of Jimmy I'm there, Kakao, I mean, Akasakasan and the Mandaman can see now to sample for no more than I of you to move. Also, economic wise, this are Butumaba, Madame would know that tension with Utumno, Quaba, while boss send it down a power without Utumichamna. I have so busy, be up and time a tumulate to Anama, in the Pragan to Mukaka, and no sort of more, maybe up to me to point now. Damin sami na ya prageda ba so to so ye face wara abana na msi you hwe mesin biara you all assembly members honorable assembly members so otumo che na adwo ya nkanfo yinkite is otumo okay
nkanfo a yene ha no doso obiara owo kepkos ayim de iwuro bi owo kepkos bia sa wofa nkanfo na wozeba na so eba nkanfo akuru na yakase yene container yezi wurogum no oyakope isusu de yenya koreka ho a kobabo hen ofuo bi o yana ha okase koroso school a obemfo atamas o sha ase residama nkanfofo nyame to nsafra no adena akefu besinde intu na yantu yedo si edo hono ko hono ku ho a bo ho na papa na atamas o sha ase da oriye ebesre na mpefo wo ka bi owo assembly ni NDC abani owodi the one you want to come for na school yi oma yen shas dey operate na me say dem so oboboa ema economic activities owo kan for no so wotum na wotumpon yen ha obi wa oho oye yen isusam ondo ya do oho wa adwene ye papa be bi wo waje pipe be afi ebie nafa nso ofa nso ko bi mfamda woboyin nsu na nkanfo na atre ma oye old nkanfo na ekono pe na ye nsu no ba bi se lorry station na hazi oba ekwo ahwema ha oba na afan yesu onomponye de bia na oba na ihe ye tete echichechi ni de nsu sam da no ya da ohohen yewunti no so ye trasre ankwankura bi wo won nsem NGOs abotum aboyen bohosa mpempren nke yetum na wa abo mankanfo a ye nsu sam no otum na wa fa na tempa ifra enye edukrom wo abura asebu kwa mankase yen ho agbahye na afi yenye Ghana National ono so owo oye Cape South he so na afo bi yin afa bi so ono so owo Mfantima so yen ho agbahye oye Brafio no nkwa do so yen ho ebo ahye nti yi ebie na brona yen ho agbahye ewo ye nkamfo ma mention me electoral bi offer obi onyi mugo bia no offer Hacienda hotel ho de ko oye interbet no ho me electoral area na ho na no ka na yeba anafa afam nso a yenye abura edukrom ye ho egbahye na afi yenyi Ghana National no fall under menyemewu aha na achim electoral area de me biyi bia me won eboshe oma oson nso ma medwumezi mezi no edru bia na ahoche kakra ewo ho ntini na kan ha kakra ya na menya ewo ye me electoral area yen yo de kwan de fida oba yebeje wona wa wetu na ma woso butu wa ya za abo nkamfoa na third region na fourth region butu na wa ya za abo yen da wona see papa
Dami sami na oya pay for tomorrow. Go ko ni za ikijina wo oya Nadmo Regional Director Odano Operating Kosi Dawood adjacent period the same pinye to to go abra wo to nsafre oya Deputy Operations Officers awoya tina hu biara wo ye okasa kire akwa pa butu wa afoda wa tun de meye amatu entendere entumesi community biara.
Sensitization training yadi ama won akwese bi adesua bi akoso and deputy district directors in charge of operations when you now were a soldier for and it's paying for we soldier for background na soldier for so military experience na wo as you see where you juma nadmo so akwa civilian organization and there was say be here say any enuanu bi hia na yahwe how soldier for bro for kind of operational readiness no ebe translate about nadmum civilian ebe disaster prevention activities soldier for one bro for kind of combat readiness na nadmum so your friend disaster resilience na was say your manuanum ye don fan team na as a nadmum staff and regional director for regional administrator or don't have for HR issues administrative issues regional head of disasters or don't have for disasters and emergency operation command issues regional rapid response team so why you wanna fam there so regional director so my strategic briefing on the interface the civilian interface about my edwidino akoso na capacity building akoso you there disaster occurrences I see last year 2025 we had over 14,000 victims Nzema saying a share of 50 months what about Sikafema over 22 million Ghana cedi. How about Frantica say more pepe yebeka yen reader. Now so this year Ghana Meteorological Agency GMET any climate change for any Ghana national NADMO ye national EOC for amayen in wabo ekoko. Say afi in suneni mu famousin za yehuno last year no. Into my Director General, the ubiquitous Major Retired Dr. Joseph Bikai Kunyon. I'm director all regional and metro, municipal and district and sub-metro directors seen as activate flood preparedness measures. Flood preparedness measures now so no. Deputy Director in charge of operations, you want to be in charge in the district various MMDA levels. Into you know what in common early warning mechanisms you be deployed. Public education ahoro because so appear nankasa so odi echinima because so any the dredging ahoro because so gutters ni drains ni rivers streams are choked in the flood prone areas in the region as well as demolitions ahoro because so in anumbia when you pay say aha insuta or how mouthful now so no for their short-term economic interest in team no akwa structure business so e dey have by demolition because so led by the Regional Disaster Management Committee and the various metro, municipal, district, sub-metro disaster management committees are Ebekosu. Amama or how NC. That's all. At the end, nimpo simple. News sunsun. Anye kese ambro or minus. And now say community nesu. Eina ejina sunta nedwe. Yeshia yen deputy district directors in charge of operations. Any regional operation team. Yama special sensitization training. What the sun film acquire Juma in the various districts now, Yahoo atoy in the right direction.
Aha na ezi donko kasebe ina itume DBC sa yata na amakasa wa won kasemfa yini na na mohwe je tumare koda yizu oyo school ya wa hye na me ne tume ba ba kire nsem tume ndazamba da ma so ne Costa TV Community Connect ebobo kire nsem bia why depend etumewi opere ko sida wood be kasa kire kan oya to yenchema of be to be otumo sisi wo ye na ntwa ha na yi medin ya be si be da oye anke benasi wo MC adamaso Mr. Special Producer ya abre producer aye Suzy osi efiba Asian Ebedenasi producer one and he shall papa. One of our way I shall fall for to be written in ocean and say, better we are Miss OMAR bin Abdullah. Only 2 4 lepia. I don't feel better. Bye bye.